Hello, Sadat. This is Samantha from Feed Me Leads. We spoke earlier today, and I told you that I was going to be sending you this screencast, and so here it is. I'm going to keep it really short and sweet. I just want to go through your site a little bit, your competitor's site a little bit, and then I'm going to give you 3 ways that you can use today for free to start bringing in more traffic to your site. So I will often send these out, and once business owners see what I do, how I do it, and how much work is put into it, they decide that it would be a good idea for us to team up. So if you watch this through and feel the same, please do not hesitate to reach out. But without further ado, let's get into it. So right here, I am on your site. So it looks pretty good, but as you can see, there is not a lot of content on here. And so Google is going to be ranking your page based off of around 200 different factors. One of those key factors is going to be content. You want to have around 1,000 to 1,500 words on your home page. I did a search and you have 627. So we would definitely want to add some more content on here. We would definitely also want that content to be very useful and educational to Google's users. They are going to be reading through this and they are going to determine whether or not it will help them find the information and or the services that they need with ease. So we want good educational content, and we also want that content to have the correct high traffic relevant keywords so that you guys can get ranked for the right stuff. So right here I'm on Google. The phrase that I will be using for today's video is mold remediation Philadelphia. This is a good keyword phrase. It brings in around a couple hundred searches per month, so that is quite a bit of traffic. If you even just snagged a couple of those as customers, you would be doing decently well. And so right below, we have our Google Ads. Google Ads are a good way to get your name out there and gain some recognition while you're waiting for your SEO to warm up. But unless you do it correctly, you will waste a lot of money. And even if you do it correctly, you're not going to get the best return on your investment as you could with, say, right here, our Google Map Pack. So in order to get on the first page, you have to be in these top 3. And in order to be in these top 3, you have to have a lot of different citations. And so citations are just when your website is listed on different directories all around the web. So think Yelp, Yellow Pages, Yext. You want to be on different directories like that, which are highly trusted and highly used. And you want to be on more of them than these guys are. So we have a tool that'll allow us to pull up all of their citations. We can go through, put your business on all of those citations and then add a few more on our own. Underneath that, we have our organic search results. These are by far the most important. Google has come out and said that over 70% of people that type something in, this is what they are going to click on. One of these right here. So here is the number 1 competition for this keyword. So we can look through this site a little bit. So as you can tell, this guy has a lot more content than you do right now. He actually has, I looked it up, 1,277 words. Well, it's a bit more than yours, but it's, not a super hard number to beat. It would be very easy. As you can see, you can tell he's putting in some good keywords in here as well. So that definitely helped him get ranked. But the main way that you're going to get ranked is through backlinks. And so backlinks are basically just a shout out from another website. And so the web is made up of businesses linking businesses, websites linking websites, and you want to get backlinks from relevant, high-powered websites. So if a local construction company or a plumbing company were to give you a backlink from their website, that would be highly valuable to you guys. And so if you ever try and do this on your own, I would highly suggest grabbing this tool. This is Ahrefs. Ahrefs cost around $400 a month for me to use, but it is a really great site, gives you a lot of good content, good information. So I just typed in the guy that we were just looking at. As you can see, he has 284 backlinks from 86 different websites and is ranking for 500 different keywords. We can take a look at which keywords right here. And so here on our left are a list of all the different keywords. We can see how many people are searching for this keyword a month. We could see how much traffic he gets from each keyword and what position he holds on Google for that keyword. And so we can kind of go through here and determine which keywords are going to bring in the most volume, the most traffic, and we can let that help us decide what keywords we want to target for your website. And so if we go back, the same way that we just looked up his organic keywords, we can look up the backlinks as well. We can see all of the backlinks right here, and we want to snag the ones for your site that have a high DR or domain rating. It goes from 1 to 100. So right here, you want to go for the ones with a high domain rating. We can go through and pick and choose which ones would be the best and get them for your site. Although you do want a lot of backlinks, you want quality over quantity. So we would have to outdo his 278, and we want to outdo him by a lot, which would not be hard to do, but also keep in mind that this is just one competitor for one keyword. We want to be able to rank for all the good keywords and beat out all the competition and outdo all of their backlinks. So lastly, we can take a look at your site. Right now you have 11 backlinks from 8 different sites, and you are ranking for one keyword. And that keyword is property rescue, which is part of your name. But right here, you're also like maybe on the 6th or 7th page. And this keyword only gets 50 searches per month. So we definitely want to apply all of the things that I just talked about, which to recap are number 1, we want good quality content with the right keywords that bring in a lot of traffic. Number 2, we want a lot of citations so we can get you on that Google Map Pack. And then number 3, we want a lot of good high-powered relevant backlinks. So that's what I have for you today. Hopefully you enjoyed this and learned something. If you are interested in possibly getting to know more or teaming up, please reach out to me. You have my email. My phone number is 714-975-5909. So I hope you enjoyed. Thank you.